How to change voice in Instagram DM. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. So this is the new feature that has been updated recently on Instagram. You will be able to change your voice while sending the voice note on Instagram DM. So let's get started. Move into your application Instagram first. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in the home page, now simply move into the inbox at the bottom. Head over to the inbox of the person that you want to send the voice note by changing the voice. Now click on this voice icon and record the voice. Once you are done recording the voice, all you gotta do is click on this icon right over here. You will be able to see tons of different voice effects. From here you can choose any of the effects that you want to. If you click on any one of it, it will start to apply. So for now, you can choose any of the voice effects from here and then click on send. And there you go, the voice message with the voice effect has been sent to this person. You can also see it says sent with a voice effect. Now whenever this person listens to your VM, they will be able to listen it with the effect. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.